What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to teach you guys the proper entry points on a double bottom that I want you guys to start taking advantage of to make money more efficiently in the stock market. Okay, listen, guys, I got a jam-packed video, so keep it locked. Take some notes and let's get ready to dominate. Okay, guys, we had a jam-packed week already so far, man, and today, December 1st, kicks off a brand new month, the last month of the year. And guys, it began with fireworks, coming out with reports in the morning. And then listen, guys, we got some more news for tomorrow. Matter of fact, we got the non-farms job payroll report coming out tomorrow, which will be another market mover that I want you guys to pay attention to. Well, listen, check it out, guys. Today, the SPY sitting right here, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 407 at the time of this recording. After it made its move up to 410 to kick off the day, it got slapped down to 405-ish, 404, and then traded kind of range bound between 407. And so I saw that 408 was a level of resistance that the SPY continuously rejected off of, okay? So 408 and 410, make a note of this really quickly, guys, and we're going to dive into the charts in just a second. 408 is a key level of resistance, as well as 410. The minute it hit 410 today, it never went and revisited that. It got rejected and came all the way down to 404. Then it bounced off 404 and hung around 406, 407. But check it out. Every time it made it to 408, it came right back to 407. And at the time of this, we're currently sitting at 407.04. So do me a favor, if you're going to make some money tomorrow to close out the day, you got two things on the horizon. You got the non-farm payroll coming out. So that's going to most likely invalidate anything you're thinking about, because it can make the stock go to 410 or 412, or it can make it come down depending on how the report is, down to 404, 403. So be mindful of that, okay? However, understand what I just spoke about. 408 is a level of resistance right now that the SPY is respecting, okay? After we get through 408, then 410 has been resistance that has got a lot of respect from the SPY, and every time it touches it, it comes right back down. So be mindful of that and understand, to the downside, guys, you have support at 405. It can overshoot to 404, and ultimately you got support at that 400 level. Okay, if we break that, then you guys know it's put season. Okay, guys, check it out. We bringing out the charts, and I want to teach today about where to buy your entry at on a double bottom. Okay, I'm going to show this right here, and off the second bounce is where you want to enter at if you are going to play and make easy money with options. Okay, check this out. You have this bottom here and you have this bottom here. Notice what it does every time if you wait and if you're patient to get the second bounce. Okay, it makes this nice move to the upside. That is a nice easy payday in the stock market. I'll draw out another one here so you guys can see. You enter right there. Okay, that is your entry point right there. Okay, if you take this one, you see it made that bull flag for you and then shot up, and you will get out right here. Okay, you don't overstay your welcome in these plays. You get in right here and you get out up here. Okay, check it out again. Another double bottom, number two. This is where your entry is at, right here, every time. Okay, and so guys, if you can begin to time your entry, meaning you're going to have to demonstrate a level of patience, you will see, man, I don't have to go down so much in every single play. I can get in and the market could be moving up in my favor. I could be on the right side of the trade. Check this out right here. One and then two. Okay, notice, you'll know that you're on the right side of the trade because it should be moving seamlessly to the upside. Okay, take a quick look at this chart. This is the 2-minute chart on the SPY, and this is just for teaching purposes, guys. I love the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, all in conjunction with each other for me to see these plays clearly during the intraday trading. Okay, and really quickly, a quick lesson, okay, to let you know when you got it wrong. All right, if you are getting in early, if you get in right here, okay, you're going to get rejected right there. All right, and that's going to let you know that you are in at the wrong spot, because the play should always go up if you really got in on the correct side of the double bottom. Okay, you're going to have this line right here at the 48 EMA that's going to reject the stock off of. Okay, and that's what you want to avoid. Listen guys, I hope this was helpful, man. I want to make sure that I show you guys not only key levels to enter your plays at, but also guys the importance of recognizing chart patterns and different setups on your trading journey. Okay, again, a lot of people make this thing seem like it's rocket science, and I'm here to try to break it down in the simplest way possible to show you guys not only what's possible, but that you can do it as well. Okay, I tell you guys all the time, I'm self-taught, so I might come a little different at it, but my results probably are better than most. Okay, and so I try to show up every day to show you how we're getting it in, how we put it down, so that you guys can see whether you're doing as many contracts as I do or not. You need to look at the percent to know that is achievable, that is obtainable, and more importantly, that's possible. Okay, listen guys, I hope this was helpful. We got a jam-packed week ahead of us to kick off this upcoming month. Okay, starting tomorrow. And then we got the CPI later on this month. Okay, so again guys, be ready. We may see a Santa rally, but even if we don't, we're prepared either way. All right, let's get ready for 2023, but let's finish this year on a strong note. Listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.